Hi guys, it's Lego Mega 100 here, and this is the review of the Lego City construction site. With it you get 5 minifigures, 3 regular construction guys, one I guess you'd call a manager, or I don't really know what they call them, and then you got like a truck driver over here. So, yeah, you got 5, and then, yeah, that's it. Okay, you also get these, I have a lot of people asking me where I got them from. I get them with the construction sets, which you can unfortunately not get anymore unless you go on eBay or Amazon or like someplace like that. Which they are really expensive, the sets right now, because they're discontinued. Okay, so let's move on to the vehicles. There is about 3 vehicles with this set. We got this really long truck, and this is to carry the construction equipment, and this is where this guy comes in. Just put him in there. He just drives the truck. Also, you got like a little front loader over here. I'll just keep it on the truck because I don't really have a need for it, like really, in the thing. Okay, so it's 2 vehicles right over there. Let's move on to this one over here. Very seriously, need more space. Which is a crane. I see it extends all the way up. And over here, you have the bottom part, and over here on the sides, you see little areas where you can take these things and you can put them on like stilts. I guess if it's like taking like heavy equipment around, I guess it uses that. And then this just adjusts the size of it right over here, of how far the crane goes up. And if you want the crane down, you just do it like that. And you can push in. I guess not push in. Yeah, you can push in. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it though. Oh. There's a little winch over here controlling the, see, I broke it. So I'm guessing that's the farthest you can go. Okay. Yeah, you might want to be careful with that, just because things like that, yeah, are like very easy to break. And just take one of the construction guys. There's a little area up here. Take them like that. Put them in. Okay, like that. Okay, so that's about it for the crane. You got an elevator. Over here with the little switch. Goes up. Goes down. Also, I gotta say one of the favorite things about mine that I like about this set is this shop. Pretty much the entire thing you can pretty much take apart. You can take off the roof. Like that. These rooms divide up. And this comes off. But I don't want to leave it like that. And a neat thing about the crane, that it comes with this like chain. You attach it to the roof like this. And the crane has a hook. I'll just lower down right now. Sorry if it's taking so long. Okay. So you just take the chain that you connected earlier and attach it onto the hook. And now the roof lifts off. And you just can place it on the roof like that. Right over here. Okay. I think that's about it. So let me just clean this up right over here. And we can end this. Okay, so just to sum everything up, this is a really cool set. I got it off of eBay because unfortunately, when I actually wanted it, thinking, hey, I need a building, I need a crane now. Unfortunately, when I said that, they had discontinued it, maybe for like a year, maybe a couple of months. But, so, I had to go on eBay. And original retail price for this was $100. And I got it off eBay for like $110. But it all depends on what vendor you go to, or, sorry, vendor. What website you go to. Different websites got it for different amount. Amazon is always a little bit overpriced. eBay's probably your best route to take if you want this set. Maybe about $110 and up, but who knows? It's eBay. You can find different prices. So I'd have to say this set's like a 9 out of 10. Just because of the problems I have with the crane and everything else. And it was missing a piece when I got it, so, it was used, so. Okay, so 9 out of 10 set. I would really recommend getting this set. About $110 because it's discontinued right now. But it was, discontinued like a year ago. $100 original retail price. And I'm repeating myself, but you guys get the main idea of this. So, till next time, see you guys next time. I got my egg one.